Dear friends, welcome back to Shasha's virtual classroom. So today we will discuss activity 8.2. This is from Statement of Financial Position. This is latest book of David Hopkins. So we'll discuss activity 8.2 here. So let's start. So Raza is a sole trader. The items have been the items taken from his trial balance 31st May 2020 that relate to the statement of financial position are as follows: bank balance 3245, bank loan repayable 2024, bank loan repayable 2020 28,330. So cash balance 510, capital opening balance opening 1st June 2019, 1st June, okay, opening. So 169945, drawings 33,450, fixtures and fittings for 44,125, premises 33,000. Premises trade payables is 33,075, premises 1,27,600, 127,600. So trade receivables 36,085. The loss for the year was 9,145. Inventory at 31st March was valued at 51,340. Prepare a statement of financial position for Raza at 31st March. Statement of financial position at 31st March 2020. Okay, so just before starting this, let's understand a few things which are very important. So statement of financial position of Raza at audit 31st May 2020. So before doing this, let us understand a few very important concepts. So what are the, so there are 5 line items. Okay, so there are 5 line items, 5 steps or 5 line items. In statement of financial position of a sole trader. What is the first one? First one is non-current assets. So non-current assets are fixed assets. So we need to write this in an order. So particularly item amount wise, whichever is heavier, we can write that, or the asset which has got longer period of life, we can write that first. So we have to follow a specific order, so though it is advisable. Okay, so then the next one is current assets. Current assets, here also order is important, like whichever are realizable on the basis of realization. So first inventories, because inventories cannot be easily realized. Then comes trade receivables, then cash and bank balances. So like this. Okay, so then we have to total of this. So this is asset side. These are total assets. Then comes liability side. Coming to liability side now, so these 2 line items are over. The third line item is capital. So capital account we have already learned. So first we need to start with opening capital, opening balance. To that from that we need to subtract drawings. So to that we need to add net profit for the year. So that will give closing balance. So you need to write the capital here. Then fourth line item, non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. So liabilities which are payable for more than after 12 months. After 12 months. So they are known as non-current liabilities. So the outstanding date is important. So on the date of balance sheet, from the date of balance sheet, after that 12 months from there. For example, if any, this is 31st May 2020. So if any liability is payable after 31st May 2021, after that, so this is 31st May, after 1 year, lapse of 1 year, then it is non-current. It should be recorded as non-current liabilities. So you know what are liabilities, right? So liabilities are something we owe. So non-current liabilities. What is current liabilities? Current liabilities are the liabilities that are payable within a period of before 12 months. So if there is any amount outstanding on 31st May 2020, so between this period and this period and this period, between this period, if any liability is payable between this period and this period, it is current liability. So basically it is equal, less than or equal to 12 months. So less than or equal to 12 months. If any liability is there which is payable within a period of 12 months, it's called current. Current means we have to pay immediately. If not immediately, within 12 months. Non-current after 12 months. After 12 months. Okay. So very important. So again, these things. So statement of financial position is somewhat easy. So this you have to understand, just understand what are the line items and where to plug in the figures, and following the particular format is also very important. You have to follow the specific format. It's very, very important. So now statement of financial position. Okay, so first we need to write fixed assets. So premises is very heavy. So premises, let us write premises. So first we have to write non-current assets heading. In the non-current assets, we need to write building premises. What is the value of premises? Value of premises is 127,600. Which is the next item which is a bit higher, furnitures and fixtures. Furnitures and fixtures and fittings. Fixtures and fittings. Now what is the amount? Fixtures and fittings, it is 44,125. 44,125. So any other assets are there? Any other fixed assets are there? No, only two fixed assets. So very good. So first you write this. So both you add together and write 127,625 is 127,600 plus 44,125. 171,725. 171,725. So current assets. Now coming to current assets. Current assets, first we need to write inventories. Inventory means inventory at the beginning, at the end of the year, not at the beginning. Inventory 31st May 2020. What is the inventory on this date? 51340, 51,340. 51,340. So then trade receivables. So remember this as ITR, okay? So remember this as ITR. ITR is inventory trade receivables. ITC, not ITC. So C is cash and cash equivalents. C, cash and cash equivalents. Trade receivables. So trade receivables is 36085. So then next one, cash balance. Cash balance is there, bank balance is there. Yes, cash and bank balance. So bank, cash. So what is the bank balance? Bank balance 3245. What is cash balance? Cash balance is 510. So we have finished. We have written this, we have written this, and we have taken this, we have taken this, we have taken this. So we have taken so many line items. 2 fixed assets, 1 2 3 3 current assets, 4 current assets, trade receivables. Yeah, even this is included, that's why. Okay, so now we add together and write. That's all. 51340, 51340 plus 36085, 36085 plus 3245, 3245 plus 510, 510, 91,180, 91,180. Add this together. 171,725, 262,905, 262,905. This is total assets. So total assets 262,905. Now we have to find out total liabilities. So before this itself we have to write in an order. So this is a presentation, remember always. So first you write capital. So capital first at the beginning. Capital at the beginning is 169,945. So let's drawings. There are drawings. So what are the drawings? So drawings are here. 33,450. So it said there is a loss 9145. Loss 9145. So put it in bracket. So you just calculate 169,945. 169,945 minus 33,450 minus 9145. So 127,350. 127,350. Okay, so capital. So this is also considered. Everything is done. So what is remaining? Bank loan repayable, and trade payables. Okay. So now we have to write non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. So bank loan which is repayable after 2024. Loan repayable 2024 144,150. 144,150. So straight away you can write yes. Bank loan repayable 2020. So that is current liabilities. This is non-current liability. Now you write current liabilities. Bank loan 2020 28,330 28,330. So then bills payable or accounts payable, trade payables 33075. Trade payables how much? 33075. 075. Add this 28330 28330 plus 33075 61405 61405. So now you add 127350 144 150 332905. So total liabilities is 332905. Next. Total assets is 262905. So where is the difference? Minus 70,000 difference is there. So where is it? Is there any error here? Correct. Let us cross check. What are the assets? Premises is 197600. Correct. So let us check 144,150 plus 28330 plus 169,945 169,945 plus 33075 33075 377 375 500. So total is 375 500 this side. So these are the credit balances. So inventory and this are by default debit balances. Let us check. So these are credit balances. 3245 plus 510 plus 33450 plus 44125 44125 plus 197600. Premises, have you taken 197600? So this is the, here it is the error. So it is 197600. So this is 197600. So this is 197600. So that is what, 70,000. So 197600 means this is not one, so it is 197600 plus 44125, so 241725. So this is 241725, 241725. So this side it will be correct, the same value. So we got 70,000 difference. So it is 332905. Three 332905. So okay, so now it is matching. See, what do I advise to you is, in the exams, whenever you get a difference, don't try to find out the mistakes, try to finish the paper first. So in fact, what I used to do is, I never used to calculate the totals. I used to do everything and leave out this part. I used to leave out this part. I would not total it. I would not total this. I would not total this. Why? Because if in anxiety, what we try to do is, we will try to figure out the mistake. To figure out the mistake, we'll try to look at the entire problem once again, just trying to check where the difference is. So because of that, we'll be losing almost, we'll be wasting almost 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. Ultimately, whatever we get is just 1 mark. So it is not worthwhile. In the meantime, we would have got around 6 to 8 marks in other problem. So it is not worth. The opportunity cost is very high. So never try to find out the mistake. Even if you do the total, if you get any mistake, leave it as it is and try to finish the paper first. Please try and finish the paper first. Once you finish the paper, you come back again and you can cross check, because at that time you will not be losing any marks, because you would have finished all the paper. And then obviously, if you discover the mistake, it is great that you will get whatever 1 mark or whatever. So just because for 1 mark, don't try to so it is a very important advice, it is very important practice that you have to adopt, you have to follow, that never try to figure out the difference, never try to tally. No, that is the usual, that is the problem in most of the students. What they do is, they try to tally the balance sheet, so they tally the statement of financial position, so thinking that they will lose marks, otherwise they may lose out marks. No, nothing like that. So finish the paper first, finish the paper. So even if there is any difference, you will finish the paper first, then you come back. So maybe there are some easier questions which you can do, which you do easily without any mistake. So ultimately you would have got more marks. You would have realized that also. So never do that. Please don't do that. So take this advice as very important, and you have to follow from now on. So all the best. So we will continue in the next class. Till then, have a good day. Good luck.